Welcome to the WordPress Ultimate Security channel. In this video, we will cover how to protect your website from relentless bot attacks and junk contact form submissions using Cloudflare Turnstile with Ultimate Security. To get started, make sure you have installed Ultimate Security plugin on your WordPress dashboard. Contact form spam is a massive headache. Bots constantly flood your inbox, wasting your time and draining server resources. Let's fix that. Navigate to Settings in the top menu, click on Threat Protection, and select Bot Protection. By default, you'll see Google reCAPTCHA options. But today, we want a privacy-focused, user-friendly alternative. On the left sidebar, click on Cloudflare Turnstile. This feature provides powerful bot protection entirely in the background. First, toggle the switch to enable Turnstile for your default WordPress forms. You can protect your login, registration, reset password, and comment forms all at once. Next, paste your unique site key and secret key generated from your Cloudflare dashboard. As soon as you add them, the plugin confirms that Turnstile protection is active. Scroll down to customize your settings. You can change the appearance theme, disable the submit button until verification is complete, and even enable Turnstile logs to monitor and audit recent verification attempts directly from your dashboard. Once you're satisfied with your configurations, scroll back up or down and click Save Changes. A confirmation message will appear at the top, letting you know your settings are successfully saved. Now, let's head over to the front end to see this in action. You can easily extend the Cloudflare Turnstile implementation to your custom contact form. Watch what happens when a submission is attempted. If the security challenge isn't properly completed, or if a bot tries to bypass it, the Turnstile widget catches it immediately. When the user tries to click Send Message, the form blocks the submission and fires a strict Please complete the security challenge error at the top. As you can see, this ensures that no automated spam or malicious bots can slip through your custom forms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and secure your WordPress site with Ultimate Security today. Download the Ultimate Security plugin, link in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.